Hey, in the Mind of Jeff Olweean, what's going on? It's a Monday, time to get some things straight, kind of go over some things in our brain before we start making some moves. They're talking about the government shutdown coming to an end. I hear Wednesday possibly as the earliest that they're going to vote. Who knows? Here we go. Hopefully they'll get it together. Some things happening with Bitcoin. Because of that, it went up. Why? I don't know. It's a strange trading vehicle recently, Bitcoin is. Right now it's around the GBTC that I trade and sell options on. It's at 82.90-ish right now. It had been in the mid-90s not long ago. So it's coming off. Again, who knows why. Also, Google is up big, $11 today. Disney is up almost $2 and Microsoft up almost $10. A lot of action. Maybe they think the government shutdown coming to an end is going to be a positive. Something to think about. Market's up almost $400 today. Anyway, that's that. Temis still up about 20-25% from the IPO in Australia, down from recent highs in the States. So we're hoping that things come together. They just had a news release last week about advancing the drilling, so there's a lot of action going on. Everybody's anxiously awaiting. Probably won't get anything, I would imagine, until the first quarter of next year. Not too far away, but far enough. CRBG, Corebridge Financial, AIG just sold another chunk. I think a lot of people think that that was additional stock coming into the market. It is coming into the market, but it's in the outstanding, so it doesn't dilute anything. Stocks are a little bit over $30 a share. Wells Fargo, what is that right now? About 86.5-ish. I sold the 90 calls this morning. So if it goes above 90, I'll get taken out. If not, I'll take the weekly revenue and say thank you very much. Other than that, that's about it. That's kind of what I'm looking at. There's a piece coming out soon. I'm going to go over about Bitcoin miners because of the electricity and the power needed to generate those Bitcoins or whatever they're mining. A lot of those guys are changing now and going to the AI movement, which I guess obviously is just as much profitable. Anyway, we'll go over that more in depth, but that's something that industry is kind of moving, so I don't know if that's going to have anything to do with why the stock Bitcoin's down. It doesn't make a lot of sense, but again, there's not a lot of valuation you can put in a Bitcoin. Bitcoin is just a digital currency. You can't put it on the balance sheet that I know of. If it is, only a handful of auditors know how to do it. So anyway, from my experience, I've seen some companies have some problems with that. Anyway, that's it. It's Jeff. I'm out. I got to go back in, see what's going on. That's just some ideas that I'm thinking about. So if you got any ideas, send them my way. Other than that, we'll talk to you in a few. See ya!